Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Woman Stabs Cop in the Face During Arrest by Police Insider.
This traffic stop turned into a sudden nightmare for her kids as she decided to fight cops over some expired tags.
I don't have a picture because my stuff got damaged in my last house.
That's missing all the numbers from here over.
Well, that's what I have right now.
Is that her dad or her sugar dad?
I don't have a lot of good news for you. They want your tag back as well, so I have to take that. Okay.
You have to park the car and call an Uber with the kids.
Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
If I park somewhere safe so I get towed.
Yeah. So give me a second to take the tag off, and then I'll come back up here. I'll get you out of here, okay?
What the hell?
Yes, sir. I'll take it off. Excuse me.
I got it.
Officers can take off your tag?
No, pardon me.
Please go have a seat.
It's my car. I'll take it
No,
off.
I did not ask you to get out of the car.
Okay, Aaron.
Go have
Why
a
are you
seat.
putting your hands on me?
I did not ask you to get out. Have a seat.
I can get out of the car if I need to.
No, you can't.
I'm literally taking
This is
it
the
off.
last time I'm gonna ask you. Have a seat.
I'm trying to get some water out of the car. Why are you
Stop.
putting...
Resisting.
What the hell?
Don't you put your hands on me. I'm just trying to get some water from my...
Tango 13, I need another one.
Get
Right
off
now.
of
1018, please.
You better take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Pregnant, get off of me.
Why is she fighting him?
Get your
Damn, she kicking his ass.
hands off of me. I do not know you. Get your hands off of me. I just said something. He's dragging me. He's dragging me. I'm trying to get my way.
All of this over some damn expired tags? But you ain't have no money for no Uber? Like, come on now.
Let me go. Put my foot down. I'm gonna walk over there. Stop. Can you let me go?
Your dad and sugar daddy keep telling you to stop. Why you not listening?
Can you let my foot? Let my foot go. I'm trying to take the hit.
Don't do that.
I'm trying to say I
Don't
cannot.
do that.
I just said I can't hospital because I couldn't breathe.
Honey.
I'm sorry, I can't come out. Because I was pregnant a couple of days ago. Can you?
Everybody always fucking pregnant, right?
You are an unkind person. I just said I will help you take off the tag off of my car. You're an unkind, racist person.
Ma'am.
I just want.
I ain't for these.
What do y'all think was wrong in this situation? The cop for telling her to go sit back down because he got it, or her? Do you think she was doing too much? Let me know in the comments right now.
Off of me.
He's bleeding.
Can you
She just
please?
took this out of his pocket and stuff.
I did not take that.
Yes, you did.
I did not. Okay.
Yes, you did.
Excuse me.
Yes, you did.
Although it wasn't captured on the body cam,
Damn.
as per the police report, Danielle slapped the glasses off the officer's face, leaving him bleeding, then removed his radio and even tried stabbing him with his own pen. She's really on some John Wick shit.
She out of line for that shit.
In the gas station parking lot.
Look how he got a leg.
He's bleeding. You did that.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Why
On the ground. Dump her. Dump her.
are you putting me on the ground?
You just caused bodily harm to that officer. What the fuck you thought was gonna happen, stupid?
I'm pregnant. Get off of my stomach. Please. Get off
Hands
of
behind
my
your back.
stomach.
Hands behind your back. Now.
Please get off of my stomach.
Hey guys, it's okay. Everything's gonna be all right, okay?
I don't want to put my weight on my stomach.
Okay.
Please.
Give me this one and then we'll
Okay,
run
I'm
inside.
The ground is. I'm trying to.
Of course it's hot. You should have thought about that before you want to go pokey with the officer.
Ow!
Don't cry now.
I'm pregnant. Get off of my stomach.
Sir, is there any weapons in the car? Do you have any weapons on you? Here, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick so you can deal with the kids.
All of this over you now. Wow. I'm lost.
Stop it. You're fine. You gotta get it
I'm
out.
fucking baffled.
Tighten it up. Tighten it up.
No,
You can breathe. You're fine. The officer had her by the leg. She was hopping. He was telling her to get down. He told her to get down once, but then as I got closer, I could see he appeared to be in distress. He was bleeding from 2 to 3 areas on his face. Okay. She looked at me. I looked at her and I was like, what did you do? Yeah. Get down.
Tighten it up.
Okay, tighten it, please. Please take me out. Please, I beg you, please. Okay, please.
Are you guys gonna poker stick me?
No, I just got paid. I'm a veteran. I'm a retired veteran.
All right, you hang on with the kids so they don't have to listen to see all this, okay?
They're scared.
I know, I get it.
We had a spare tag. We were trying to fix the car. Go pay the tag stuff.
I got you, man. I got you.
And I told her let the officer take the tag. I said let the officer take the tag off.
Then all of a sudden she started struggling. She reached for the officer and she took the pen out. Okay, wow. Put it to her right hand. My impression was she was going to use it as a weapon and stab him in the face or the neck. Okay. That's what I thought. Yeah, okay. And I screamed at her, got her attention. I reached over and took it from her.
Awesome. Thank you for doing that.
And that's when all the...
Somebody get this man a beer.
Please arrive. Thank you so much for what you did.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
You're not going to get enough credit for it, but you know, just know you did an awesome thing for us. So, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right.
I promise I won't do anything.
Relax.
All right, take a breath.
Ma'am,
Take a breath. Take a breath. We're gonna set you up. Okay?
can you please help me up? Please.
Just some other blood
I promise you I won't move.
She's just Jamaican and crazy. I told her, I said, let the
Jamaican me crazy.
officer take the tag off the car.
Bomba clock.
She wanted to take it. I said, no, let him take it off. I'm military. Let him take the damn tag off.
Was she driving the car?
Exactly.
I don't know what's going on. So you're the driver? Okay.
No, I said, let's take an Uber.
Come straight up. Do you have anything illegal on you? Can I cut me, stick me, or poke me?
No, ma'am. Hold on. Can I please get my bearings?
You turned the simple citation into this? And you got kids?
Hold on.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You know what? Excuse me.
There's $1 in that one. You wearing a bra? Or is it just way up here?
It's a bra. It's a front.
It's on the front.
It's on.
You don't have anything over the bra? Just the underwire?
It's unhooked.
It's unhooked in the front? Okay. Okay, well, you have something up in your bra. I just can't see what it is because it's sticking out. So as soon as we get you in the cruiser, we'll look. What do you have up in your bra?
Hey, what you got up in them
What do you have up in
seconds?
your bra?
It's part of the. It's a front attachment, bro.
It's just the front attachment?
Yes.
All that Kung Fu made sure Cop Sensei was going to charge the chi out of her.
Why the fuck you say that?
Take the tag off. And I said, baby, let him take the tag off. It's a tag. We're going to pay the fines and get another one.
Facts.
She said, I don't want to take it off. She's a girl. Independent girl.
That has nothing to do with it.
I know.
Girl, she stupid as
I
hell.
told her, don't get out the car. I'm military, sir.
Yes, sir. I can understand that. We appreciate it.
Ma'am, you're leaning away from us.
I'm sorry.
Walk to the car, you're going to turn around, you're going to sit down, and you're going to face
You
me.
want me to turn this way first?
Turn around, face me.
Okay.
Sit. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, I can see you have something in your bra, so you're going to keep facing me.
Okay.
And I'm going to unloop your bra and just see if it's just the front clasp that's undone. Okay?
Thank you.
It's just the front clasp?
Yes.
Okay, so while you were struggling, it came undone? Is that
There's
true?
nothing in my hair, miss.
Okay, well, we got to check. Go ahead and put your feet in.
Okay.
We don't know that.
Put your feet in for me, please.
Hold on.
I will ask you one more time, ma'am. Put your feet in. Thank you. This came out of her back pocket. Who's arrested so I can give this to him? It's just $1.
Just hand it to me right now.
All right.
Damn, just $1? That's how you had them titties?
Got it. And this is, I didn't check her shoes yet.
You okay?
Yeah, I saw them pulling her. They were going to put her in my car here, but then they walked to a different car. This one's mine.
Why is the yellow tape up, officer? I'm military.
They might just be making sure nobody's coming into the parking lot, is my guess.
Crime scene, dude.
I don't know. But, I mean, you heard her screaming. I didn't hear them call. They'll probably get a rescue truck down here to check her out if anything happened to her. I said I didn't hear. I got here after the fact, kind of. But now it's kind of the point where everything's... Now it's calmed down, so everybody's going to figure out what's going on. End of the
Her
day,
ass going to jail.
We just got
nobody's
some
dead or
lunch.
anything.
We just went to the park with the kids.
Right,
I said, baby, go pay, get the tire fixed. Let's go pay the rest of the fines and see how much the tag is.
right. Yeah, the fines are easy to replace.
Look, this is something that could have been easily avoided.
What is the charge? Bad deal, obviously. Oh, yeah, I'm sure, yeah. Probably, well, I don't know if it's aggravated. I don't know what they're... I would charge her with, I don't know what the original... I would charge her, I would have to entertain neglect or child abuse, too, doing that to the police in front of kids. The same as you're committing a violent crime, a felony with the children present, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Why would you do that in front of your kids? I can never do this to my babies. I would, you know, like, I'm gonna act my best because my children right here, and then I'm showing them how to act with police.
Is the AC on?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
I checked it.
I just want to make sure because it is hot.
Yeah, it is very hot.
And it'd be much worse hanging out in there.
I'm leaving it there.
So there's going to be an officer that's going to meet us up here. She has more of your property, so we're just going to hang tight for a minute until she meets us here. She's on her way, so maybe five-ish.
I know she gotta feel like the dumbest person in the world right now.
10 minutes.
I didn't have any property.
Not like a phone or anything.
That was all in my car.
Okay. Well, like I said, she has something that belongs to you, I guess. Okay.
The female was charged with battery on law enforcement officer, aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, strong arm robbery, criminal mischief, resisting arrest with violence, resisting arrest without violence, depriving officer of communication, child abuse, and driving while license suspended. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps my channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. I'll see you guys at the next premiere.